Uh, Hello, myself Rajesh, and I'm going to explain about my data-intensive scalable systems project. And let me walk you through the code. Uh, so this project focus on big data tools to solve real business problems in e-commerce, like figuring out which products are top sellers, which commission plans lead to better sales, and which customers are most valuable. E-commerce companies deal with massive data sets, millions of rows of transactions, orders, and customer details. Analyzing this kind of data with Excel or normal Python tools like Pandas is slow and inefficient. So for this project, I used PySac for processing, uh, MySQL for storing results, and Azure Blob Storage for handling the raw data. My goal was to take this large data set and turn it into valuable business insights uh, using scalable tools. So let's start with my data set. Uh, so this is a very large data set. Uh, it is a very large data set. It is a CSV file containing thousands of records of transactions uh, where product categories like mobiles, beauty, books, etc., customer IDs, sales values, commission codes, discounts applied, everything is there. So we have everything we need to understand customer behavior, product performance, and how different sales strategies are working. Now, the tools which I used in this project are PySpark and MySQL and Azure Blobs for storage. So basically, I use PySpark, which helped me process the large data sets efficiently. PySpark is like pandas, but it runs in parallel across multiple machines and rows. So MySQL was used to store and clean the aggregated data, so it was easy to run quicker queries later. So was that's it. And if we walk through the code, I'll explain you the data cleaning and processing part. Now let's move to the data cleaning stage, wherein working with big data cleaning is crucial. Even a few bad or missing values can ruin an entire analysis. Here's what I did using. Here's what I did using PySpark. Removed unnecessary columns, filtered out records, invalid products categories or commission codes, and checked for outliners like unrealistic sales values. This ensures that all the insights were generated and based on clean and reliable data. Now cleaned, I did aggregation. Once cleaned, I did aggregation, grouping data by customer and product category. This helped me calculate total sales, average order value, and quantity purchased. The result is much smaller, meaningful data set that's that's easier to analyze, but still powerful because it reflects real patterns from the original data. So the sales performance is done by category. The first analysis I did was on product categories. Yeah. The first analysis which I yeah, the first analysis which I did was on product categories. The question here was which product categories are bringing in the most money. Using PySpark, I calculated total salaries of each category, average order value. What I found was mobiles and tablets had the highest total sales and average order value. Appliances and entertainment also performed well, but categories like books and beauty had much lower sales and average order value. This tells us the mobiles are high value, frequently purchased, and making more ideal for promotion. But the other categories may need some help. Maybe building items or adjusting pricing strategies can help their performance. This kind of analysis helps business prioritizing inventory, trade ads, and adjusting prices, all based on real data. So, so these are the graphs and pie. This is a pie chart for category sales and AOV value. Uh, the second analysis looked at commission code. Yeah, the second analysis looked at commission code. Uh, it depends on the commission structures. I wanted to find out, do certain commission codes lead to more sales? Do higher discounts actually help? So I grouped the data by commission codes and looked at total sales, total discounts applied. Interesting result was it had high sales value but the low discounts, but means it's efficient and profitable. Uh, other other codes had sales and discounts that were nearly equal, which might not suitable. Uh, the insight here in the business should focus on codes like IN, which bring in sales without heavy discounts. It helps management rethink their discount strategies because just offering high discounts doesn't always lead to better performance. So now uh, let me show you the. So this is the sales versus discount log scale. So in this graph, you can clearly see like everything that I've explained previously. And next up is yeah, customer segmentation. So, as you can see the difference between total order value and the discounts, sales and discount distributions. In this, you can see the distribution of AOV. So if we move on next, if we move on next, we can clearly see the customer segmentation part. This was one of the most exciting parts of the project. I asked which customers are the most valuable. So I segmented them based on total amount they spent, how often they placed orders. I grouped them into high spenders and frequent buyers, one-time buyers. So what I found was the higher spender and frequent buyer group was smaller but brought in the most revenue. One-time buyers made the big chunk of the customer base, but didn't contribute much to the sales. Uh, what can business do? So reward loyal customers with loyalty points or apply more discount vouchers or discount coupons and give early access to the products. Re-engage one-time buyers with targeted campaigns like follow-ups and sending notifications. This kind of segmentation can maximize ROI on marketing because you're not treating all customers the same. So now let me briefly explain about the like architecture and automation. Now let me explain about how I set up the entire system. I use the data pipeline design, which means raw data is pulled by Azure Blob Storage. PySpark processes it step by step, cleaning, aggregating, and analysis. The result are stored in MySQL, and everything is modular, meaning I can change one step without breaking the rest. So this kind of pipeline automation is very common in real world data systems, especially in e-commerce on fintech or in fintech. So it helps reduce manual work and ensures reliable and scalability. So to summarize my whole project, uh, the project was about solving real world e-commerce problem using scalable data system. We discovered which product categories perform best, which commission codes lead to better profits, and which customer segments deserve most attention. By using tools like PySpark, MySQL, and Azure, I showed how companies can analyze large data sets quickly and make data driven decisions. So these insights can help optimize marketing strategies, inventory planning, and things like customer retention efforts. So it's a complete loop where raw data goes in and insights come out. Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough of my project. Uh, that's it. Thank you.